Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today I am starting my Lunchbox series where we'll be sharing simple, practical veg lunchbox ideas. And today, day one, we'll be starting a classic lunchbox which is an all-time favorite, lemon rice and crispy potato fry. If you want a lunchbox that stays fresh, tasty and makes everyone ask, "Enna saapadu?" This lemon rice combo is perfect. For the potato fry, in my pressure cooker, I boiled about 8 to 10 potatoes, peeled, chopped and kept ready. Now for the lemon rice, I have taken 1 cup of Sona Masuri raw rice, cooked it with 2 cups of water. So we will just allow the rice to cool a little bit. Add a spoon of oil over the cooked rice. So this will help to keep the grains separate also. Now for tempering the lemon rice, heat a tablespoon of oil. Add some mustard seeds. About 2 tablespoons of peanuts. First we'll allow the peanuts to roast a little bit. Now add in a teaspoon of Channa dal and a teaspoon of Urad dal. Fry everything well together. The dal should be well roasted. The dals are well roasted. Add in just 1 dry red chilli, 2 green chillies chopped and about a teaspoon of grated ginger. Add 1 sprig of fresh curry leaves also to it and switch off the flame. Now add a large pinch of turmeric powder to the tempering itself. You can also add a pinch of hing, it adds a good flavor. Now pour this tempering over the cooked rice. Add the required quantity of salt. Now mix everything well together. See, it is important that the rice grain should be well cooked but separate and fluffy. So use a light hand while mixing the rice too. The rice should not become mushy. See, the rice has been mixed well. Now we will just squeeze the lemon juice onto it. You will need about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So depending on how much juice you get, 1 or 2 lemons you can use. Our tasty lemon rice mixed to the perfect consistency is done and ready. Potatoes also should be well cooked but should not become too soft. So here to the boiled and peeled and chopped potatoes, I am adding turmeric powder, salt to taste, some hing, that is asafoetida. I like to add my homemade sambar powder. It gives a good flavor to your potato fry. Additionally, we can add a teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder to it. Choose a cast iron pan to get a lovely crispy fry. You can take about 2 tablespoons of oil. Add some mustard seeds, urad dal, Channa dal, fresh curry leaves. When the dals are brown, add in the potatoes along with all the masalas in it. Toss them well so that all the pieces are well coated. Now allow it to cook on a low flame. Don't keep stirring it in between too many times. Just once or twice it's enough. Our potatoes are roasted well now. Just for added crispiness, sprinkle a teaspoon of rice flour on top finally. Again, give everything a good mix and let it roast just for a couple of minutes more. See, our potatoes are nice and crispy, done well. Now at this stage we can switch it off. Now we are ready to pack our lunch box. Always allow the rice to cool down well before closing the box. If you have a separate box for the potato fry, keep it separately. In this I have a separate compartment, so this way also it is good. Only then it will retain the crispiness. This is a very simple, at the same time favorite lunchbox combo which we have all grown up with. But we have to just be careful of simple tips so that even something as basic as a lemon rice should not get ruined because the rice was not cooked perfectly, or the potato also should be fried to the crisp and perfect texture. So do stay tuned for our upcoming episodes in the Lunchbox series. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Gita's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Gita's Kitchen. Thank you.